Okay, so let's now have the tangent. So remember that tangent in Q1 or quarter 1, tangent is positive. In quarter 2, tangent is negative. In quarter 3, tangent is positive. And in quadrant 4, tangent is negative. So what are the radian measures of all angles whose tangent is negative 0.84? Use an inverse function, a calculator, and the unit circle. So tangent negative 1, inverse of negative 1 is negative 0.84, is approximately, let's see what is the equivalent to that. So we have tangent of negative 0.84, that is approximately 0.70. Again, make sure your Desmos scientific calculator is expressed in radian. So this is equivalent approximately to negative 0.70. So since that's negative, it could be in quadrant 2 or quadrant 4. So in a unit circle, quadrant 2 and quadrant 4, this is going to be negative 0.70. This is negative 0.70. This is negative 0.84. And this one. So this is pi. Okay. So since tangent is also negative in quarter 2, another solution will be pi minus 0.70 or approximately 2.44. The 2.44 is 3.16 minus 0.70. So you can write the radian measures of all the angles whose tangent is negative 0.84 as negative 0.70 plus 2 pi n and 2.44 plus 2 pi n, where n is any integer.